I don't like how the Mark 5 Volkswagens uses their low beams as DRLs, and honestly, I don't like DRLs in general. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I'll be turning off the DRLs. And I'm going to show you two different ways to do so. So let's just get straight to it. So the first method is without VCDS and only works for 2010 and up Volkswagens. It might work for other models like, the Passat, but this is mainly for Jettas and Golf with halogen headlights only. All right, so currently the DRLs are still on, as you guys can see there. Just released the brake. There it is. DRLs are still on. Okay, so the car is off. The headlight switch is off. What you do is on your turn signal stop, push it down and pull it back like you're using the high beam and hold it there. Now turn the car on, but do not start it, and just wait. Wait until the beeping stops. All right, now turn the car off, let go of your turn signal stop, turn the car off, and that should be it. So let's double check if the DRLs are off. So I'm gonna turn the car on right now and release the e-brake and see if the DRLs are off. And there it is, they are off. Even the DRL light, indicator light on the dash is off. You see there? Okay, so let me just turn the car on to show you that it's still off. Starting the car and releasing the e-brake. DRLs still off, and the DRL indicator light on the dash still off. And for the second way, I will be using a laptop with the VCDS software and a VCDS cable. Plug the dongle end of the VCDS cable into your OBD2 port under your dash. Plug the USB end of the VCDS cable into your laptop. Turn your car on. Open up VCDS. Go to select control module. Go to 09 Central Electronics. Go to coding 07. Go to long coding helper. And then go to byte 11 by clicking the up button here. Byte 11. And then uncheck this bit 2 permanent running light, PRL, low beam active. Uncheck it. Close out. Hit do it. Coding accepted, okay. Close controller. Go back, exit. Turn your car off. Now let's double check if it's off. So I'm gonna turn the car on. Put the e-brake down. Looks like the DRL light went off. So most likely the DRLs are off. And there it is, DRLs off. So there you have it, two different ways to turn off the DRLs. But please be aware that the first method is probably not permanent, because there were reports that the DRLs actually came back on at an undefined amount of time. But the second one should be permanent. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys missed the video where I installed the smoked side markers, make sure you guys go and check it out right here. And also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.